Welcome, my people. Thank you so much for subscribing to the YouTube channel. Okay, this is kind of a sad news. I know this is what I've been experiencing in a while in Nigeria, the so-called one Nigeria. There have been kidnappings and killings. So there's this one that they kidnapped the Ondo monarch, and the suspects were arrested. So let's quickly dive in. 5 suspected kidnappers of a traditional ruler and 3 others in Ondo State arrested and paraded have lamented that their leader stole part of the ransom paid by the relations of the victims. Wow. After they've been arrested, they are now, why are they lamenting? These people, The suspects paraded at the State Police Command in Akûre include Iyasu Lawan, who is 27 years old, Muhammadu Abubakar Sidi, 26 years old, Garuba Batio, 36 years old, Abubakar Danji, 20 years old, and Muhammadu Monsore, 25 years old. These are youths. Wow. Recall that the traditional ruler, the Onikun of Ikun, Mukaila Bello, and others, who include the former House of Assembly candidate for Akûre North East constituency, Yeye Banfiro, a chieftain of the All Progressive Congress, Honorable Adeniran Adeyemo, and a community leader, Bashiru Adekile, were kidnapped at about 6:30 p.m. around Agoyeye along Owo Ikare Road on August 4 this year, after the driver conveying them was shot in the head. Goodness. The insecurity in Nigeria is getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand. The abductors have demanded for 200 million naira from the families of the victim, but they negotiated it down to 4 million naira. The suspects, while being paraded, expressed shock to hear that the victims paid 4 million naira ransom, whereas their leader, who is on the run, declared 2 million naira ransom collected. They are still doing shitting again. For those kidnapping, you are still shitting your fellow kidnappers. Let's continue. Why their leader, who was on the run, declared 2 million naira as ransom paid for the victims, the relation of one of the victims, Abdul Mobitala, who took the ransom to their leader, insisted openly that he delivered 4 million naira to him and he counted it before releasing the suspect. Can you imagine? The 5 other suspects, who were physically angry, said only 2 million naira was declared to them. Really? But why parading the suspect at the State Police Command headquarters? The State Police Commissioner, Oyeyemi Oyediran, said that 4 of the suspects were arrested at their residence in Ibadan, while Dangi was arrested in Owo town. Items recovered from them included 3 barrel guns, 5 live cartridges, 2 face masks, and 2 jackknives. God help us. They said their leader gave them 200,000 naira each for the operation. Abdul Mobitala, who took the ransom to the kidnappers, said it was the entire community that contributed the money. Oh my goodness, hard-earned money paid to kidnappers for ransom. Jesus help us. This is so sad. The entire community just to rescue their Oba. Hey God, help us in Nigeria. This insecurity is getting too much. It has reached our neck. He said in quotes, and I read, They said we should pay 200 million naira, but we begged them and they reduced it to 4 million naira. I'm not sure. The community contributed the ransom money. Our people spent 3 days with them without eating any food. Àwọn èèyàn ìkà ni wọ́n. People are wicked. People are cruel. Can you imagine? They released them along Akûre road. I was the person that took the ransom money to the place. I saw the kidnappers. They came out with guns. They did not wear masks when they came out to collect the ransom. Yes, now. They will not wear nose mask. They will never wear nose masks. Kidnappings and stealing in Nigeria is now very open. When our own politicians are stealing from us, why can't kidnappers and robbers steal from us? Why can't they ask ransoms from us when they know that insecurity in Nigeria is now rampant? It's not everywhere. Our government is not talking anything about it. Our government are silent. If we complain to tire us, that is what they know now. So they will not wear nose masks. Even if we report them to the police station, they will still bribe the police and police will still collect bribe. Abi? That is what we now experience in Nigeria now. I beg, let us continue. These people are really annoying me. When we drop the money, they said we should go and that we will see our people soon. The Polish commissioner added that the kidnappers that killed a soldier and abducted a Lebanese in a war has been arrested and charged to court. Thank you, Jesus. Oyediwan said the suspect, Yusuf Hamza, was arrested through forensic investigation and that efforts were on to arrest other suspects. Well done, sir. Well done. Well done. He added that the suspects confessed to the commission of the crime and they to have committed the crime and they were soon to be charged to court. This commissioner, thank you so much for holding these thieves, these kidnappers by their left hand. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. God will bless you. God will bless you. Let's look at the comment of people towards what have been happening towards this scenario. Abdul Dawadu said, this commissioner of police in Ondo State is proactive. Well done. Yes. Thank God. Some people are reading my mind. Yes, he is proactive. Thank you so much, sir. Commissioner. Thank you. Thank you of Ondo State. Thank you of Owo area particularly. Precisely. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. Ayodele said, now their leaders in the north accused Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn of arresting their people that are seeking greener pasture in the southwest. Are these criminals not Fúláñi? Can you imagine? All these names I just mentioned, they are Fúlàní's. So they came from their own town to come and cause havoc in our town, to come and collecting ransom, come and kill people. Do you know that if those people if those communities has not contributed the money and paid that 2 million naira ransom, they would have killed those people without missing. For the fact that they did not give them food for 3 days, one leg pa one down. They be cow ni one, chickens ni one leg pa one down. Can you see? And God, the way God will punish some people, the punishing is still doing press up. All of them should be executed. Yes, my brother. It is a robbery and kidnapping offense that carry the death penalty. Useless Fúláñi terrorists. Yes, they should all be punished. They should all be executed. They should be killed, safe. When you want the police to do accidental discharge on criminals, they won't. They will be there speaking English. What does it take to discharge those idiots to eternity in hell? Please, Commissioner of Police, we are begging you. Those people, imagine when you are taking them to court, hold them very well. Because they will go and bring lawyers that will want to, rescue them. Please, make sure they pay for their crimes. That's what people are saying. Make sure they pay for that. They should not be on this planet Earth. No, they are not fit to be alive. since they can keep people, their fathers and mothers, people that are fit to be for their fathers and mothers, hungry for days, then they should not be kept alive too. They should not be kept alive. So let's comment on this. What's happening. The Fúláñi now are now coming to the southwest and kidnapping people, collecting ransom. As what? Because they know that our government is not helping us. Our government is not even concerned about us again. Let's talk about this. Please don't forget to like this video channel, and for those who have not subscribed, please don't forget to click on the red button. Thank you so much for your time. May God bless you. May God bless you. Amen.